In the video, we embark on an exploration of the most profitable online opportunities capable of generating a potential income of up to $100 per hour. It is noteworthy that these particular ventures do not necessitate a specific educational background and can be conveniently pursued from the cozy confines of one's abode. Despite prevailing assertions circulating in YouTube videos which tout effortless earnings through survey sites or advertisement watching platforms, it behooves us to differentiate truth from mere fantasy. The websites featured in this visual presentation underscore the notion that one's financial gains are intertwined with their level of dedication and hard work. Accompany me as we delve further into this captivating subject matter within the corresponding video presentation, and remember to view the entire video should you find yourself intrigued by any particular job opportunity presented therein. Fiverr, the esteemed marketplace for both freelancers and companies to showcase and provide their services, has undeniably forged its path towards prominence since its inception in 2010. Boasting a staggering 3.42 million active buyers hailing from over 160 countries as of 2020, Fiverr stands as a beacon of opportunity for those seeking temporary work positions within various industries. Whether perched comfortably at home or amidst the structured confines of an office space, freelancers across the globe have found solace and success through this innovative platform. Serving as an invaluable e-commerce hub, Fiverr allows service providers to craft an online storefront brimming with their specialized offerings while presenting clients with a curated selection of predetermined gigs tailored to their specific needs. For budding talents in graphic design, web development, video editing, marketing or translation endeavors, Fiverr beckons as a promising avenue wherein earnings ranging between $100 to $200 per month await eager beginners looking to carve out their niche in the competitive digital realm. In the realm of creative entrepreneurship, Printify emerges as a beacon of possibility for artisans and visionaries alike. A haven of drop shipping and printing services, it offers a gateway to designing and selling bespoke products without the constraints of upfront investment. With an extensive selection exceeding 900 unique items, from t-shirts to mugs, phone cases and beyond, one can curate their own collection with ease. Fostering global connections through a network of providers, Printify enables creators to bring their visions to life on a global scale. Whether embarking on an inaugural online business venture or seeking to showcase artistic prowess, Printify provides a streamlined platform for realizing dreams. Through user-friendly tools that facilitate effortless design integration onto various products, one can tailor their creations according to personal preferences before embarking on the journey of salesmanship. Moreover, by seamlessly connecting with major e-commerce platforms and marketplaces, Printify paves the way for widespread distribution and exposure in today's digital marketplace. Situated at the forefront of the online marketplace is Freelancer.com, a digital platform that serves as an intricate web connecting employers with freelancers spanning across regions and nations. Renowned as the preeminent hub for freelancing and crowdsourcing endeavors, it stands as an unparalleled domain teeming with a myriad of users and projects. Employers are granted the ability to unveil their tasks or contests for talented freelancers to vie for or participate in. Meanwhile, skilled individuals from diverse backgrounds can showcase their expertise and services within a plethora of categories ranging from web development, design, writing, and beyond. YouTube, the fourth entry on this list, emerges as an unrivaled platform for generating a steady stream of income. Various avenues such as YouTube Premium, YouTube Ads, Super Thanks, memberships, and live streams serve as lucrative opportunities to accrue wealth. Indeed, YouTube stands out as the quintessential means of earning money in the digital realm. Consider that the average monthly earnings of a YouTuber fall within the range of $82,000 to $83,000, a staggering figure that underscores the vast potential inherent in this venture. With such promising prospects at hand, it is highly advisable for aspiring entrepreneurs to delve into this field and harness its manifold benefits. In the realm of online commerce, there exists a lucrative opportunity known as drop shipping. This innovative business model sees individuals or enterprises, dubbed drop shippers, eschewing traditional inventory management and fulfillment practices in favor of outsourcing these tasks to third-party suppliers. By entrusting logistics such as warehousing and order processing to external entities, a drop shipping operation can be efficiently run by either numerous employees or a sole entrepreneurial force. For those looking to delve into the world of drop shipping, the potential financial gains are promising. Even beginners have been known to earn up to $1,000 through this method. And when it comes to establishing your drop shipping venture, one platform stands out above the rest: Shopify. With its user-friendly interface and comprehensive tools tailored specifically for e-commerce endeavors, Shopify proves itself to be the ideal digital home for aspiring dropshippers seeking success in today's competitive marketplace. The sixth entity, known as Upwork, bears similarities to Fiverr in its nature and structure. It stands as the foremost and most renowned platform for freelancers in our modern age, boasting a staggering 4 million businesses under its wing. However, one may find themselves in need of some educational guidance when navigating this website. Luckily, there are plentiful resources available on platforms such as YouTube to aid in understanding its intricacies. For those skilled in fields such as web development, graphic design, or social media management, the potential for financial gain is substantial. In particular, a talented web developer has the capability of earning up to an impressive sum of $54,666 annually on this platform. The seventh position falls to the data entry worker, tasked with inputting alphabetic, numeric, or symbolic data into a specialized system in the realm of online work. Despite its seemingly mundane nature, this occupation holds promise for substantial earnings and flexible scheduling. To thrive in this domain, one must sharpen their proficiency in programs such as Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Word. Remuneration typically ranges from $10 to $20 per hour, making it a lucrative endeavor. For aspiring data entry workers seeking opportunities, platforms like Clickworker and Amazon Mechanical Turk stand out as prime choices. Microworkers, the eighth wonder of the virtual realm, stands as an ethereal bridge between employers and laborers spanning across the globe. In this digital nexus, employers can effortlessly disseminate minute online tasks for modest remuneration while workers diligently execute these assignments in exchange for payment. These tasks are characteristically brisk and unencumbered by the demands of specialized expertise or extensive experience. Yet, despite its convenience, I caution against delving into this platform as it offers a paltry compensation of no more than $11 per hour. Indeed, when juxtaposed with industry giants like Fiverr and Upwork, Microworkers pales in comparison, a mere time sink beneath the glimmering horizon of greater opportunities awaiting elsewhere. Survey Junkie, the final contender in this realm of online communities, offers its members compensation for partaking in various surveys. With an impressively low minimum redemption threshold of a mere $5 and the option to receive payouts through PayPal, Survey Junkie appears to be a promising opportunity. However, before delving into this venture, it is crucial to acknowledge the possible drawbacks that accompany participation. In order to ascertain the true value of Survey Junkie, I dedicated an hour immersing myself in their survey activities. Therefore, dear viewer, I extend my gratitude for joining me on this journey and kindly request your engagement by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to my channel.